Welcome back, music lovers, to the Dark Orb Rocks, the show that takes you from the dark roots of heavy metal across the oceans of atmospheric instrumentalism before landing squarely into the crater of awesome bluesy rock. My name's Phil, and I hope you enjoy the show that we are doing today. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. More importantly, let me know in the comments what you think of this song and what we should be checking out next. Today, we are heading over to Blessings, and they're a band from Gothenburg in Sweden that are described as a blend of indie, post, and noise rock with additional hardcore and punk elements. This might just blow my ears out and break my brain, so apologies in advance for anything like that happening on the screen. I have heard some of Blessing's previous work, and it was really great, but definitely an acquired taste for me. This track, No Good Things, from the upcoming album Blodsträngen, should be a really interesting one. We're promised lashings of samples and a heavy layer of percussion, which is ready to destroy our ears, really. I've read the album preview on the Pelagic Records page, linked down below, and we are promised filthy bass and a xylophone style refrain. The moment anyone says xylophones to me, I'm actually drawn back to a band called Esmerine, and they had an album called La Lechuza, uh, which I think is going to be like 1,000 kilometers away from what we're going to be listening to. This is a pretty short track, so this should be pretty intense, I think. Grab your earplugs, acquire your heavy metal beverage of choice. No Good Things by Blessings. Okay, straight away, that's not what I was expecting. Oh. Kind of Franz Ferdinand, right? Ooh. Well, there's the doomy stuff. Interesting stereo soundscape going on. Anyone else hearing The Cure, like Lovecats or something like that? This is fun. I don't think they're having fun by the sound of things. No Good Things. Just going to abruptly end, isn't it? Nice. That is interesting. Now we've got the kind of constellation-y post-rock going on. Very Silverman's Iron. Reference those guys a lot. percussion is definitely intense. Whoa! And I guess afterwards they'll just fade to black. That was a lot of fun. What did you think of that? Didn't know what to expect going in. I definitely didn't expect that kind of poppy. Um, yeah, I think the Cure kind of Lovecats was exactly where my brain went. As I said, that was unexpected and pretty cool. Actually, I could definitely imagine dancing to that. That is No Good Things coming from the new album Blodsträngen from Blessings. That's coming out in August, and you'll be able to get that from Pelagic Records. There's always a edition, subscriber edition of that album. It's pretty stunning. We'll pop a picture of that up here. Um, what did you think? I think that's going to be really interesting. I'm very keen to find out what the next song's like and if it follows that same style or if it's something a lot more hardcore, like, heavier. I guess we'll find out soon. The album comes out in August. Pelagic always put out 1 or 2 songs at least from an album before that album is released. So I think we will find out more about this album very soon. Please let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think we should be listening to next. Enjoyed this episode, consider liking and subscribing because we're a brand new channel and we need all your support. Thank you so much for your time and I hope you had fun. Until next time, please make sure you have your earplugs handy and that you can promise me that you're going to keep on rocking. Take care, everyone. Ciao.